Hey man, I'm Chris with Foam Cats. Fresh world of the day for you called the Waterfall. This is some next level troll stuff, dude. You walk in, you show up at the white door like normal. You see this sign and instinctively go to read it. No message, and it automatically drops you to a popular trade world. Oh my god. I wasn't sure if that was like frowned upon or not, but they got me with it. Alright, so the world of the day is called the Waterfall. I hear the peeps already. You're the weakest in the village. Aw, man. In the village, all the people hate you. Aw, man. Because you are? Because you're weak? I can't read signs with people talking. But one day you hear that there's a secret to be strong. Secret inside the forest and the magical waterfall. Trying to find out if it's true or not. Alright. Let's ditch this village and head to the waterfall. $3 for coffee! It's more sense than the Starbucks over here. Alright, here's the magic waterfall. And we're dead. That was a mistake. Okay. This is gonna be crazy hard. Oh my god. It's like a waterfall. But parkour! Let's see if we can make this happen. That better have been a checkpoint, dude. Oh no, how far back do we go? Okay, sweet, that was a check. At least the map owner is merciful. Died at the same spot. We're almost already to the bottom of the waterfall, so I'm curious what's going to be going on. Oh my god. Like, I want to zoom in more, but then I won't know what's going on below me. Okay. How did they get over there? Oh my god, don't die here. This part should be easy. Okay. Why did you put eggs there? Not like this. Now we should find this forest to find the secret part to be strong. This seems easy with bow. I mean with umbrella. Slow down at this part. We hit a checkpoint. They're out of yo. Oh no. Oh, they got me. But for real, that waterfall was ragey hard. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Looks like I might be weak. The weakest one in the village forever, guys. Because I'm probably going to give up soon. Oh! That's so hard, dude! We'll open up a raffle for fan maps in just a minute. Oh no. That's really distracting. Okay. Oh, checkpoint. Ow. This is super trolly. Like, this is a good map. Oh my god. Not like these. Alright, we're starting the raffle. You guys can buy tickets. Thanks, dude. No problem. Yeah, you guys can buy tickets. We're kind of short on time. We're running late on this stream. I don't even know how I did this the first time. Is it using umbrella and just walking off the edge? Yeah. I don't know how to beat this. Ugh. It's just really frustrating, dude. World of the day. It is World of the day. I'm rage quitting. Yeah, dude. World of the day video. What else would it be? he just die or disappear? Oh no. I quit. I just want to go. I'm just going. I'm so mad, dude. That's really annoying. Alright. Donate, please. Close. Roll. Oh my god, you can't make this up. Raspberry L586. You just won, dude. And let me confirm it, but Raspberry is the one that in the last vid bought a Sub-Zero in Mortal Kombat X, which you can get for free. And just today, he threw me another 20 bucks to buy a whole different tune. I'm getting Venomous Devora, and I'm gonna have to read up on her more because, dude, if you threw me 20 bucks for Venomous Devora, she must be some hotness. I need to figure out what's going on. No answer from Raspberry yet. We'll give him a second. Oh my god, he wants to go to a map called Sub-Zero? Are you kidding me? This dude just loves Sub-Zero. Yeah, the first character that he bought me was Sub-Zero. Did he just choose a random map name? I think he did. He doesn't even do Grow, does he? That's fine. We'll all flood this map. We'll queue up for another one. Unless you own this map. Is your name Vival Sab? I doubt it. Alright, stop. Start. You guys can buy new tickets. Yeah, he just put Sub-Zero in chat, dude. That's all that he wanted. I'm gonna do some more Go spam. Buy new tickets, and we'll do some more Go. This dude's selling something. But we gone. Buy roulette wheel, 2 world locks. Buy token world. I got 23 diamond lock. What? And he killed me. That was unthinkable. How could you do that? Alright, we'll close out and roll. Alright, we're looking for QT Shyla. Pick a map. She'll choose quick. She'll choose quick. Yo, 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 yo. How'd you go? Peace out. Go. Alright, now we get to confirm. Oh my god. I thought when I hit that, it gave me a mirror modifier. That was crazy. So those hit you just like cactuses. Alright, she said finally, and we are going to Shyla. Let's do it. Go, 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 go. Shyla. Welcome. Let's see what we got ourselves into. Parkour in progress. We'll scope it out. Dead. Cool, she showed up. Pip, pip, pip. We did it! Y'all know I love parkour. And I don't know if we'll ever get out of this. Oh my god, I almost got out of it. That was crazy. Shyla, pull me if you want a lucky gold, and I'll hook you up. Or if you want me to sign a board or anything, ask me now. Chris, I have 5 golden blocks, so I April Fooled anyone, even my bro, that you donated me. Come on, bro. All y'all are doing April Fool is way past the time. Oh my god, I was just about to jump. Hey, yo. Alright. Hey, the lady. Let's go. Glad you finally won. Finally win. Dang, and Boone Earth has access here. Alright. Don't throw word locks at me, bro. I can't even drop him back because he ran away. We'll drop him back. Super nice. Too nice keep. Alright, let's run around for a little bit longer. And we'll do one more fan map. So we will stop, and you guys can buy new tickets. I gotta make it through this. We're not going to like that. I don't know what I can do to break out of this either. And last time I got rocketed into the spikes. How come some people make it out and some people just... Like, I got turbo blasted into that spike. Y'all saw it. Pikachu Irish? No? Chris, can I add a command where people can give other people a gift? Nah, that's gonna get too spammed out. We got a torch, guys. Let's respawn and see if we can use it in that door. What? I got pulled back. I'm trying to make it to see if I can... Oh, I got it. Thank you. No! Alright, so it's still a work in progress. Cool start so far. Alright. Let's see. We'll get set up for the next one. Close. Roll. Alright, we're looking for Bart. 7737. Choose map. And we'll see where this dude wants to go. Alright, we will say peace out. Keep it up. We'll do some more ghost spam. Alright, and I got my eye on chat, so hopefully Bart will say where he wants to go in just a minute. Little grow token generator over here. What? Devora seems a lot like Kerrigan, the Zerg one in StarCraft? Don't even talk to me about Kerrigan like I don't know. I love Kerrigan. I love infested Kerrigans. Is that what they were called? No, I'm thinking of infested Terrans. Dang it. But yeah, dude, I'm all about Kerrigan. I used to play those custom games. Okay, we're going to Vainglory. What the heck? I used to play those StarCraft custom games, and one of them was Nexus Wars. And Kerrigan was one of the special people. Oh, another locked map. We got trolled. Alright, we'll do a reroll. Or a re-raffle. You guys can buy new tickets again. That's such a waste that this map is just locked. Zyron. I would message him, but he hasn't even played in 11 days, so y'all know. Alright, I'll go back to doing some more ghost spam. The crystal. Yo, yo, yo. Buy hidden ID. What's his real account? My brain. It hurts. Nice. This guy's stunting, showing off his gear. Alright, short raffle. We closed and rolled. We're looking for Night Swifter this time. Plot twist. That's so many. Good luck, dude. And goodbye. Locked, locked, locked. Love ya. Show you some love. Dude's farming. Dang. Alright. He said OMG, but he hasn't chosen a map yet. Come on, bro. Wait, sign. Now fast, I gotta go. I don't even gotta go. I got 3 go. Night Swifter hadn't said anything else. We'll give him a minute. Trade HHERR. I normally don't do this. I already forgot it. I can't, dude. I forgot the name. That's my bad. Okay, Night Defenders. I was just about to give up on you, dude. Night Defenders. Let's check it out. I feel bad that dude that wanted me to sign. Hopefully he'll see the vid. I really forgot it, man. I'm sorry. Is it a real map? It is. What a treat. Yeah. Alright. I hope you don't have anything exposed, because it just got ganked. No, full map. We're clear. Cool. Dude's got a YouTube channel. Alright, we'll throw him a lucky gold, sign a board, and then we'll set up for some quick fan mapping. Or flash mobbing. Yep. Yo, dude, want me to sign that board? What? Quit giving me world locks, dude. God. You guys need donations. Crazy. Alright, we'll see if he wants me to sign that board. Somebody was asking for P-Coins, and I feel merciful. P-Coins, add online, we'll throw out 10. Thanks for watching, guys. That's just a nice thank you. Someone said P-Cats love me. Show y'all love. Alright, I gotta get access to sign your board, man. You know what's up. Trying to make it easy for you to click me. Access me, bro. Quit spamming yum. Anybody got time for that? Ah, I gotta be colors. Keep your world locked. Alright, cool. Let's do one big lap around this map again. And then we will do a couple flash mobs. Alright. We'll go in this door and then we'll do flash mobs. But I want to see what my burrito's world is. What? Did that just happen? We were at Night Defenders before. And then I tried to go in this. My burrito's world. Why does it do that? Now it's mine. Okay, let's do P-Cats Flash. I really don't know why it was happening like that. It's a glitch in the Matrix. P-Cats Flash! We'll do 2 of these and try to find some good ones. I got a pen here, let's set it up. We got a decent amount of people, thanks guys for doing this. It's cool when we get a good amount. Oh my god, that robot's targeting. Alright, let's find a goodie. Not Carnival. Not a date map. We'll try this one. Only a couple people, it might not go well. 7, 6, 5. Can you explain Growtopia to me? Like, what's the point? Good question, dude. It's kind of like Minecraft, where there is no real purpose. If you want to be someone that tries to get good gear, you can be that guy. Otherwise, you can just run around and do parkour maps and try out other people's maps. There's a huge economy to it, to where you can trade and try to get your hands on good stuff. And this map's about to get wrecked. It looks like people can put locks anywhere. Can I put spikes? I was gonna try to kill people, but I can't even find anything good. Yeah, I just got trapped. Unbelievable. Lucky gold because we got trapped together? Not like these. Now everywhere I go, people are gonna try to pull me into their little lock. Oh my god, someone caught a robot. He just dances. Wow, he's like dubstep robot. Work! What are you doing down there, bro? Stuck. Alright, let's go back. We'll do one more. We're short on time. I just need to punch somebody that thinks they're cool because they're so up high. You just got peeped. Oh, I'm getting peeped. Alright, let's go back. This will be the last one of the day. Alright, here we go. Alright, we might have to do another one. I can't find any full maps. If this works, this dude's gonna flip. Because there was only one person here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Missed one. That's fine. Alright, we are going to weird name. Balloon Llamas. Please let the person still be here. They are. Guys, this is like the epitome of why we do flash mobs. There's one person that was just chilling in their home world. This is their map. And then we show up. And they're like, what the heck? Say more things! This is all for you! Will they let us out? Oh my god, they've probably never even seen the robot. Yeah, they're just farming up dirt. Flush mob! Flush mob! Oh, now they're just pulling random... Oh my god. I just got randomly pulled. If any of these doors are open, they're gonna take your rocks. Alright, we can't. They're just gonna pull us one at a time. You can make entrance open instead of pulling everyone. Oh well, they can do what they want. Alright, that's the end of this vid, guys. Feel free to download Growtopia, one of the craziest MMOs that's on mobile, dude. At least they got their world lock protected. Alright, that's the end of this vid. Thanks for watching. Phone Cats. Are they still pulling people? If you didn't get pulled.